Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is Giselle. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for being in today's video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much guys for your support. I truly appreciate it. Today's tutorial, as you guys can read, it is a tutorial and it is the spring makeup tutorial 2022. I'm so excited guys for me to be even saying those words, spring, and I'm just so excited guys for like just the brighter days, the longer days, and just the days that are not too dreary, dark and gloomy. I'm super excited for the brighter days that are to come. And yeah guys, I really wanted to do this makeup look. It's just a fresh, airy, kind of glammy makeup look that I wanted to create for you guys, because I just thought it would be the perfect makeup look for spring, because it's just pretty, it's elegant, it's glam, it's just, yeah, just airy and fresh. Basically that's what we're going for. So I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I enjoyed creating this makeup look. I wasn't very sure about it, but it came together and I really like how it looks like. So I really hope you enjoy it. I'll list all of the products that I've used in the description box, and I will talk through everything that I'm doing. So yeah guys, let's get into the video. So guys, the first step for this tutorial is applying foundation. Today's choice of foundation is the Dior Forever Skin Glow foundation. I really love this currently. It is such a lightweight foundation. It gives you a radiant, dewy look without looking too oily. I recently did a well detailed review on the foundation, so do check it out. I will list it out. I'll list it down below for you guys to reference to, and I'm using the shade 4W. I went in with this foundation with also a little bit of the Colorstay Revlon foundation in the shade Caramel, because this foundation from Dior doesn't really match my skin tone. So just to add a bit of, and to create like the perfect match, I have to sort of mix it with this foundation to get the perfect shade. So that's what I did, and I'm just blending it out with a beauty blender. I move on to concealer, and I'm going to be going in with my concealer from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is the hydrating camo concealer in the shade Tan Sand. I absolutely love this, and I've been using it for a while. These concealers, they're just so thick and they're so creamy and hydrating, and they really just cover up like any sort of darkness and just help with brightening up the areas that you do want to highlight. Basically, if you do want to watch a video on more to do with highlighting and contouring, I can link that for you again in the description box below for you guys to see how I basically do that and why it's important to add to your routine if you're interested. Then I blend it in with my beauty blender, making sure everything is nicely blended out and looking seamless. Then I move on to doing my contour. For my contour, I'm just applying the same, it's from the same cosmetic company, which is e.l.f., and it's the hydrating camo, and this one is in the shade, it's either rich chocolate or chocolate, but I will double check and let you guys know and link that in the description box. But this is what I use to contour my face, and this just helps to just even out your skin, give you a bit of color, because after applying the foundation, the highlight concealer, it just washes out your skin. So just to add a bit of color, we are going to be doing this step, which is the contour. Contouring. So after contouring my face, I'm moving on to setting my under eyes and all the areas that I applied the highlighter concealer. In my face, I go in with a highlighter and I'm just adding a bit of some glow, just adding a bit of, just a bit of dewiness to the skin. I'm just adding it to my nose this time round and a little bit on my sort of cheek area, just making sure that I just add it onto there, nice and subtle, nothing too crazy. Then after the highlighter, I'm going in with some blusher from Sleek Makeup, and this is called Issa Mood, and it's a nice pinkish color. Since it's spring, I just think that blusher just sort of seals the deal in terms of spring, and just adds a bit of a soft touch to this makeup look. Then once I am finished with the face, I set up my makeup, all of it with some fixing spray from NYX, and then I move straight into the eye. For the eyes, I'm going in with the Too Faced Natural Nudes palette. Love this for soft makeup, and as you guys can see, the first eyeshadow that I'm going in with is Maple. This is just to create a nice transition, a nice base to go by before actually applying the rest of the eyeshadow colors. So love this eyeshadow. It's just nice and soft, chocolate brown, nothing too dramatic. I am using a blending brush to blend that in, a nice fluffy soft brush. Then once I finish with that and it's all nice and seamless, I like to go in with the main color for today, which is called the Golden Light, and it is this really nice sort of goldish with a bit of like a bronzy kind of copperish undertone. I just thought that this would be perfect for this makeup look, since it is spring. It's all about the glow and it's all about that subtle that subtle glow. So that's what I was going for, something soft but with a little bit of shimmer, just to keep it nice and glam, because you guys know I'm all about that glam eye makeup. Once I apply that, once I'm finished with that, I literally go in with the same brush that I was using to blend out the initial eyeshadow that we applied, which is Maple, and I'm just sort of filling in the gaps and just tidying up the eye a bit more. So guys, to add a little bit of shape to the eye, I'm going in with my angled brush and I'm going in with the shade Truffle. You guys have already seen me using it. It creates a nice angled effect and just elongates my eyes in such a nice cute sort of like cat eye effect. I really like it, so I'm just using that and just dragging it to the corners off where the eyeshadow ends, just to create that nice little cat eye illusion. Once that's finished, my choice of mascara that I'm going to be going in with today is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the legendary Lashes Volume 2, which again I'll list in the description box below. I really love using this at the moment because it just adds a bit of volume to my lashes and gives me the lift that they definitely deserve and need. I applied my falsies off camera and I bought these falsies from Amazon. Again, I'll list those in the description box below. I absolutely love them, and yeah, they're really nice and wispy, so I added those to the eyes. And then last but not least, we're moving on to lips. For lips, you guys already know I'm always use the Berry Cosmetics lip liner. It's just a nice brown lip liner to use and to line up on my lips. For like, I literally use it for most of my makeup looks because it just looks really perfect. It's the right shade as well for my lips. Then for my choice of lipstick, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury, the Pillow Talk. I will put the shade again in the description box below, but it's this nice mauvish sort of pinkish lipstick. I'm adding that on top of my liner. Then I'm going in with the L'Oreal liquid lipstick in the shade Sweet Tooth. I just wanted to brighten up the center of the lips because they were looking a little bit too dull looking for what I was trying to go for. So I added that liquid lipstick, and it's just like a nice nude color, and yeah, it just helps to brighten up the lips a bit more in the center because yeah, that's the kind of look that I was trying to go for. So guys, to finish off the lips, I went in with a clear glass from NYX Cosmetics, and that was basically the look. I really enjoyed creating it. It looked really fresh, very glowy, and I just think that it suits the season that we're going into. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it was easy to sort of follow. I hope it's easy to sort of follow step by step. And yeah, I'll list everything that I've used in the description box. Please don't forget to comment and like the video, share the video, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye dolls.